Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before anything, please hit that like and subscribe button and smash that bell for notifications. Right now, this is not going to be about one of my builds. This is actually going to a guy named Jose who has a channel called DIY Gang. Yes, I started following him when he did, it was a 2016, I believe, Burnt Hellcat. If you've seen this thing, you would never believe this guy put it back together. Me, I probably would have just scrapped the car and called it a day. But following his channel, hearing it periodically, I guess he suffers from back pain. I know it all too well, me being older than him. You take your back for granted. Don't do it. You start getting back pain, take it easy, go see a doctor. You'll thank yourself. Just don't think that you can just tough it out and everything's going to be great. But I have something for you, Jose. And this guy, the back brace. Let me bring this up here so you can see it. It's by a company called Venom. Okay, this is a hybrid. So it comes with a carrying bag. I'm going to mail this to you. I've actually sent you an email a couple of days ago. I don't know if you've got it or not. I'm sure you probably get a lot of emails and you guys overlook them because your channel is growing, and that's understandable. But it comes in a carrying bag. I'll show you what's in it really quick. Let me find the zipper here. This is not a cheap one. This is not some real rinky-dink thing you get from some little store somewhere. Oh no. This is brand new, okay? It's never been used. This thing's going to help you out a lot. And I can't remember how you put everything on, but it's got this main support right here, and it contours your body. But these little things are, I can't remember. I'm getting them dirty already, dropping them on the floor. But I know your wife is a nurse, so I'm sure she'll probably be able to know how it goes on. But these little things, they go into the back somewhere. It seems to have some little kind of pocket back here. I don't know if that's... Or no, okay. This just Velcro opens up so you can put things in there. For what reason, I have no idea. I don't remember. So I had a friend of mine hook me up with this one because I know you were in need of one. I know they look awful. Maybe you can just wear it underneath your shirt and you won't have to see it too much. But when you're getting your days where your back is really bothering you, I really want you to wear this because I suffer from back pain as well. It's no joke. And believe me, I know it. I've had, bulging discs, and, they set you back quite a while. If you start pushing yourself too hard, you're going to screw your back up, kid. So hopefully me sending you this, and I'll try and send it to you as fast as I can. It will be coming from New York, and I'll get it to you as quick as I can. But today being Saturday, being later in the day, what other stuff? Oh yeah, here's another one too. Here is the lower part. You're going to have to figure this thing out, kid, because I have no idea how to do this anymore. I had one a while ago, and I really can't remember. But it comes in a carrying bag. Everything's fully adjustable. I hope this helps you out. I'm going to post this video right away, so hopefully, you'll get this right around when I send it to you. I know you probably get things sent to you all the time. You don't get a chance to go through everything. Your wife probably does it for you or whenever you get some spare time. If you don't get to it right away, I understand. All I ask is, hey, just give me some feedback. Let me know you got it. And I hope it helps out for you. So, till then, everybody, stay tuned. This one right behind me, I'm not done with it. It's another one you can see in the background over there. There's an empty hole. There's a refrigerator that goes in there. That one, basically the clear is hardening up on it. And these, I will be showing them pretty soon. All I got to do is build the chairs for them. That'll be done in the next day or two. But I will do a video on the one with the refrigerator and everything else that goes in it. The bar ones, you guys have pretty much seen a lot of them. This one's a little different, but I'll still make another video for it. Till then, guys, stay safe out there. Don't take your back for granted. You get a backache, take some ibuprofen or something. Relax. Don't push yourself, because if you do, you're going to screw yourself up. And it's not going to be good. So, till then, stay safe. subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys soon.